44 gang, what's happening, man? It's your boy Hemi Life44 back with another banging video, man. If you're new to the channel, make sure you like, share, comment, subscribe, and browse. We're going up our 2023. Well, the rest of 2023, and we definitely going over 2024. But make sure y'all hit that like button. Hold on, man. It is y'all hold on. Y'all give me a minute. It's kind of nippy out here in my. I got the good Lord and my mama blessed me with big lips, so we gotta keep these things on point. My bad, I'm over here. Hemi wife over here looking at me crazy. Y'all ain't seen her in a minute. I'm gonna put her on the camera in a minute. You know what I'm saying? I had to get that taken care of, man. We all good now. You know what I'm saying? Subscribe to the channel, share the videos, comment down below. I will tell y'all this. So my previous video, I got a lot of comments. I'm taking those comments, a lot of those comments, and I'm gonna post them on my IG story. And you know what I'm saying? I might not tag y'all because I don't know y'all IGs, but I'm gonna post y'all on my IG story. Some of y'all really said some stuff that meant a lot and remind me of why I do what I do. You know what I'm saying? So and why I go so hard with it. So, I'm gonna post y'all. So y'all get in the comments, y'all continuously comment, man. It helps the video. Share the video, like all the good stuff. I know I said that. But hey, look who it is. Y'all ain't seen her in a minute. You know what I'm saying? I know y'all wonder, y'all see all the orange backgrounds. Oh yeah, show them the what's called. So also, y'all check this out. So this is what we got coming. Never mind this right here, right?
This was his idea.
No, we can show it.
Okay.
Never mind this right here. That right there, we're gonna change that. I just put that on there just to see how it was gonna turn out. That is not gonna be on there. But this is the new merch design, man. Y'all get in the comments, let me know what y'all like that. I mean, y'all get in the comments, let me know if y'all like that or not. Turn around one more time. Y'all get in the comments, let me know if y'all like that or not, man. This is, huh?
Do we have length on it?
No, it's clean. You know what I'm saying? But it says persistence. Yes, sir, right here. Then you go over here. It says the race is not given to the swift or to the strong, but to the one who endures to the end. But yeah, so man, we're going straight to the video. So this video originally was gonna be video on why I hadn't been doing YouTube, where I've been, to get y'all insight on that and all this and niggas. I told y'all I was gonna do that, but because of some of my comments and all that, this video is gonna be about something else. I had people asking me, do I have my charger? What happened to my charger and all this and that? So we're gonna get right to it. Yes, sir. So we're gonna get Hemi wife to open sesame. Open sesame. You know how I open it?
How that lady be doing on, what is it, The Price is Right?
No,
not The Price is Right. What is it, Wheel of Fortune?
What?
Oh!
So you know, look at this. She
Wait a second.
Shelly know what she doing.
Hold on, wait. Tell me what
Now this what y'all don't know. I don't know if this the Charger or y'all don't know if this the Trans Am. So y'all get in the comments right now. Let me know which one y'all think this is.
I think it's that Trans Am content you were just talking about.
You think it's Trans Am?
Yeah.
She think it's a Trans Am. Y'all got time to change y'all answer. What y'all think? Get in the comments. Hurry up. Hurry up. It's cool if y'all have two comments. I ain't, you know what I'm saying? I ain't illiterate. I'll pick up on it. You know what I'm saying? I ain't gonna hold y'all no longer. We finna find out what this is. Go on and remove that.
So I just rip it off like this.
Just do it how you want to do it. Rip it off like so. Rip it out the plastic. Rip it out the plastic. Rip that thing out the plastic, man. Rip that. What is you doing? They gonna be mad at you.
They gonna be mad. Hold on, wait.
Oh, they see it in my Tony Baker voice. You see it. Let's go this way, man. You see it. Y'all thought I ain't still have it. Y'all thought I still didn't have this thing, man. God, this thing is pressure. Whew. This thing is pressure. What y'all think? Bro, I'm not gonna lie, bro. I'm not gonna lie. This, anyway, what you think? This, look at my sticker. My sticker say February 2023. That goes to show how long it's been since I drove this car. Which I done drove it since then. But yeah, I have. I done drove it since then. And hold up, man. Hold up. Let's open this door. Nah, hold on. Let's open this door. It's a little dark in here. Y'all see ain't no lights on in here. That's one reason why I ain't drove it. Pop your hood. Huh? And you know what's crazy? I can't even get in my, I don't think I can get in my truck. I need to get in my trunk for real. Whew, that thing still. Damn. I missed this baby, man. I gotta pull this thing back up. What y'all think, man? I still got her. She still looking good. Still looking good. This is definitely the hardest charger. This is definitely one of the hardest chargers ever to grace these streets, bro. I'm not gonna lie, I got the J signature, the guy that wrapped my car. You know what I'm saying? Got his signature. Got the Hemi Life44 down there. You make sure y'all follow me on Instagram if you're not. Big forges. You know what I'm saying? Big forges. If y'all been around for a minute, y'all know I got the floater caps. But one of my floater caps came off when I hit a pothole. So I took them all off and just put the original caps back on there. But dang, I can't even get in my trunk. That's the bad thing.
You don't have it where you can let the seat down inside and pull the little trunk.
Yeah, but that speaker box in there. I'm trying to get in my trunk, y'all. That's what I was trying to do. But let me show y'all what I did to this car, bro. Let me show y'all what happened. This is bad. This right here will literally keep me from driving this car. This right here will keep me from driving this car. Maybe not nobody else, but me, I will not drive my car like this. Look at this. Look what I did, bro. Look at this. Look, bro, y'all see that? It's kind of dark in here. Look, literally, that's the paint, bro. That's not wrap. That's my paint. If that was wrap, that'll be cool. That's the paint, though. And let me show y'all how I did this. It started with this. This is what I don't understand, bro. Why is this hump right here? Why is this big? You get what I'm saying? Why is this thing this big, bro? I don't know if y'all can tell how big that is on camera, but that's a huge hump. So with that, I tried to bag my car in. And I couldn't bag it in because it hit something up under the front of my car. Because you know my car it's a tad bit lower than what it's supposed to be. But it hit, I still don't know what it hit, to be honest. I need to go see. But when I tried to bag it in, it hit right here. It may have did that, I'm not even sure. But it hit and I couldn't go. After that, I had to drive it out. Then I had to turn it around. Y'all see how small this gap is right here? Like from my storage to this wall, bro, it's small. So I had to turn it around and drive it in forward. And when I tried to drive it in forward, I couldn't come way out here and come straight in because it's so small right here. It's so small, so I had to angle it in, bro. When I angled it in, me thinking, I don't know whether I forgot I had a wide body or I don't know. See that blue right there? Scrape that wire right there, bro. Boy, I was so mad. I ain't never been that mad. Boy, man, you can add him right. I was hot, bro. Like steaming, beaming. Boy, I was hot, bro. Like I ain't never done nothing like that. You know what I'm saying? I'm a good driver, bro. Good driver. Real good driver. I ain't never, ever done nothing like that, bro. And for me to do that, I was mad because that was a careless mistake. That didn't have to happen. You know what I'm saying? None of that. Can't stop looking at the charger, bro. This is probably one of the hardest chargers ever. Like, y'all can't lie. Now, y'all might not like the wrap. Some of y'all might not like the wrap. Some of y'all like the wrap I had before. But all in all, even with that wrap, it was still one of the hardest. Before I got this wrap, it was wide body, and it had that wrap on there. And it was one of the hardest then. The breast cancer, man, my mama was a survivor. But, can't get in my trunk, bro, because my battery is dead. As y'all can see, lights is not on. I really came over here to do some things to it, but we ran off and left my my jumper cables in the other car. But y'all see my back seat is down, and I could reach back there, but I can't reach back there. You know what I'm saying? That speaker box is in the way. Got my amps. You know what I'm saying? For some of y'all that don't know, got the this my little prop right here, my little hood prop. Man, y'all gotta forgive me. This video was not planned. You know what I'm saying? My little hood prop right there. But I just had to show y'all I still got the car, bro. I still got it. Everything's still everything, bro. Everything is still everything. That thing still, it's still. It's still pressing. It's still pressing. Hemi wife left my door open. Look at it. Boy, I tell you. Left my door open. Still pressing, man. But yeah, I just had to come show y'all. I didn't realize that I forgot my stuff until we got here. Yes, sir. She's still here, man. She's still here. Modifix. Y'all know who's done work on my car. Modifix. Omar wheels and tires for the wheels. J for the wrap. A to Z wraps for the wrap. Modifix did the wide body. What else Modifix do? Modifix did the wide body. They did all the cutting. They did the wide body. Hellcat KD did my lights. He did my underglow. He did my inside lights. He did all that, bro. So make sure y'all, if y'all need any of that stuff done, I just told y'all who to hit up. You know what I'm saying? But I'm finna get up out of here. I just had to come show y'all I still got the car for those that was asking. To be honest, like I said, this video wasn't playing, bro. This video was not playing. I just came to show y'all the whip. You know what I'm saying? But it's still here. Dang, that more pressure, bro. That more pressure. When you look at it from right here, man, you gotta see it in person from right here. That more pressure. Sheesh. But yeah, man, so I just came over to show y'all the car. Well, really, I came over here for something else, but like I said, I forgot the jumper cables. I forgot all this. This is all I could do today. You know what I'm saying? Me. And we're gonna put the wrap back on there. You know how to do that?
No, I don't know how to do that.
No, I'm just asking because some people, like when I first got there, it was kind of hard.
You just put it on.
Okay, we just put it on there then. Let's see. Let's see if she know how to just put it on there. You already. Hold on, I think she already wrong. Hold on, let me see. Let me see something. Let me see. Hey, what they say? Yeah, what they say? What they say? Don't they say front? Where's she going? Where's she going?
What's she saying?
This is epic.
Don't try to treat me like, I don't know what to do.
Well, I mean, from the looks of it, we looking at it like you don't know.
It's gonna come together. Y'all need patience.
Huh?
Y'all need to have patience. It's gonna come together. Tell me what I don't.
So she got it right. She got it well.
Bam.
Let's see. Let's see. She got it on there.
That's it. Ain't nothing to what to do with it. That's it.
Now let's show it, y'all. What they say? What you think they say? Why don't you go on and put it like they do in their commercial?
I don't read it in English.
What they say?
I don't know. Fonts like.
Say front. It don't matter the car cover. It don't matter the car is covered. So.
Is that a typing style font?
So y'all don't know. I used to always do this too. I keep my car covered in the garage, and I'm gonna tell y'all who I got this from. I got this from TJ. Shout out TJ, man. TJ, you can change your name so many times. I forgot what your name is. TJ, that's my guy, bro. Y'all know TJ, man. He be around Life44 and all that. But I got this from him. He opened up his garage one day, and he had a cover on it. And what I realized is when you got your car in the garage, a lot of dust is constantly floating around the garage. And when I seen that, from then on, anytime, wherever my car is, if it's just sitting up somewhere, it's gonna have this cover on it. So y'all do the same thing too, because even though your car is in the garage, whether it's in a storage or a garage, bro, it's dust flying around there and it's getting on your car. So shout out TJ, man. You know what I'm saying? You learn something new every day. You can learn from people younger than you. You know what I'm saying? Y'all remember that. So 44 gang, man. Hey, like I said, this was just a quick video, quick update, letting y'all know I still do have my charger. Be prepared for news coming with the charger. Be prepared for news coming with the Trans Am. Make sure y'all get ready for that merch, man. Y'all start saving y'all money now, saving y'all increments. You know what I'm saying? So y'all can go on and support and get that merch and look good in it. Cause y'all know me, I don't just do the regular. Me, I'm not doing merch, pretty much. It's a clothing line. That's why I took time out. Well, we took time out to get that made. Hemi Wife actually came up with that logo, that design. So we took time out to get that made because I'm trying to do a clothing line. I'm not trying to do merch, bro. Like, I'm trying to be, when you go in Macy's, you understand me? When you go in DTLR, you understand me? When you go to Foot Locker, you understand me? Then when you go to the mall, all the, you know what I'm saying, top tier stores, I want my stuff in there, you know what I'm saying? But I don't know if y'all can hear that dog, but that dog is huge. Like, we came through it earlier. That dog is huge, bro. But yeah, man. So y'all stay tuned. Like I said, I'm back, man. I'm not gonna let y'all down again, man. I'm gonna keep it pushing. I appreciate the ones that's been rocking with me, that continuously rocking with me, that's been there since day one, that's been there since today. I appreciate y'all, man. Make sure y'all keep supporting. Make sure y'all keep liking the videos. I can't ask that enough. Make sure y'all hit the like button on the video. Please hit the like button. Please share the video to somebody, anybody. It don't matter. You know what I'm saying? But that's going to be a wrap for this video, man. Y'all know how I do my videos. In the meantime, in between time, to the next video, holla at your boy, I'm out. Yes, sir.